Now, shares of Nintendo and other major gaming companies took a significant hit today, following the announcement of higher US tariffs on Chinese imports. With many investors pulling back from the sector, we take a closer look at how these tariff changes are affecting the gaming industry. Take a look.
Gaming stocks were usually the bright spot amid global market jitters. But the uncertainty is making investors put their consoles down. Shares of Nintendo dropped by as much as 9.8% in Tokyo, marking its largest intraday loss in 7 months. This sharp decline follows concerns over new US tariffs imposed by President Donald Trump. The tariffs, which raised duties on Chinese imports from 10 to 20%, have sparked fears that gaming consoles could face higher prices in the US, the world's largest market for video game hardware. As most consoles are either manufactured in China or rely on Chinese suppliers, the tariff hikes could result in increased import costs, potentially driving up the price of these products. The impact of the tariffs wasn't limited to Nintendo alone. Other companies in the gaming sector also experienced declines, with losses ranging from 4 to 6%. Global investors, wary of the potential price hikes and their effects on demand, pulled back from gaming stocks, contributing to the broader sell-off. About half of Nintendo's shares are held by foreign investors, making it more vulnerable to market fluctuations driven by global concerns. This sell-off reflects a broader trend of investors unwinding positions in Japanese gaming stocks, which had been among the best performers in Japan's equity market this year. The Solactive Japan Games and Animation Index had risen 14% through early March. However, the rise in tariffs and market uncertainty have led to a reversal in investor sentiment. Analysts suggest that the sector had become crowded and expensive, with concerns about higher costs and reduced consumer demand now weighing on stock prices. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.